It's time!
It's here.
It's here. What's here? Tell them what's here.
We got Legion of Collectors box.
Legions of Collectors.
Just arrived.
We've been waiting patiently, or not so patiently.
Anyway.
It's March 11th. It's snowing outside, which is rotten for March 11th. But we've got our Legion of Collectors box.
Got my handy dandy knife.
We've got the knife. Now we can see what's inside. Okay.
Alright.
So we've got our badge and our pin. Ooh.
Okay.
Nice pin. So like the Marvel set, then we have our patch and we have our pin.
Black and white Superman. And what else does it say on it?
And it's got the Legion of Collectors on it.
Okay. And our patch is it's a Wonder Woman patch.
Wonder Woman!
And it says Legion of Collectors. It's a cool patch.
Nice patch, nice colorful.
Alright, Kirby.
Good.
Alright. And on top we have our t-shirts in a baby blue color.
And we've got our Batman versus Superman. Okay. Yeah.
Alright. Looks like a Mexican wrestling poster.
Yeah. Nice color, different from the usual blacks and colors to it. So a nice baby blue with black on it.
Yeah.
Done with the almost the faded look, make it have sort of a retro look to it.
Okay.
Really nice looking shirt.
And we
the
have
first item. Wow.
Dorbs. We have a 2-pack of Dorbs, which is Superman and Aquaman. It's a nice little set. It's got its sticker on it for an exclusive for Legions of Collectors. Put that on the end.
So yeah, that's a really interesting looking Dorbs collection. You've got the almost the greenish color for the Superman, and then the blue for the Aquaman.
The blue, I think, is supposed to be Underwater Aquaman.
Underwater Aquaman. It's got that look he has from the movie here.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's a nice little collector's 2-pack there.
Alright. And our pop that we knew we were going to get is our Armored Batman.
Alright, Armored Batman.
And that's got the nice sticker on it. The DC Legion of Collectors. Box is in good shape. Nice looking pop. There we go. And last in the box
Okay, what we got?
is our comic book.
Oh, we got comic book.
Which is Batman Superman #5. And it's got on the bottom there, it's got a variant cover with collectors of, or Legion of Collectors on it. There we go. Okay.
So nice box.
So it's not bad. It's got some nice things in it.
It's got some good things in it. We've always said we like the Marvel set. We were hoping that the DC would be as good, and it's got some nice stuff in it. So once again, we've got our
exclusive comic book, Batman Superman #5, with the Legions of Collectors on the bottom of the comic.
Okay.
We've got our T-shirt, which is the Mexican wrestling type poster with Batman versus Superman. It's even got some Spanish writing up here. Yeah, nice T-shirt.
We've got our dual pack of the Dorbs. A nice sticker on it for the exclusive. Superman, Aquaman.
Can't wait for the movie. So I think it's coming out the end of this month sometime. And then we have our Armored Batman Funko Pop with the exclusive DC Legion of Collectors sticker on it. That's what he looks like there too. All right.
So that is our haul today. Nice looking set. This is probably one of the few boxes that we're going to continue to get. This one along with the Marvel one. We like what comes in these boxes. There's no fluff. There's a lot of good stuff that goes well with our collections. The T-shirts are always nice. Kevin's collecting the pops, and we've got loads of those, so we love seeing the pops in there. And getting into the Dorbs. Didn't start out loving the Dorbs, but the Dorbs are starting to grow on us a little bit, I think. so liking the Dorbs, like the Aquaman Superman one there. It's got a unique color combination going on with that. So it's been fun getting this one. We're going to continue to keep getting this one, we think, and this one and the Marvel one, because those seem to be the two that we tend to like the best. They have the best stuff in it for us, we think. So that's where we're at.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. It's Adrian and Kevin and Rambo. He wanted to get in. He wanted to say hi.
He didn't yawn and walk off this time. He stayed with us this time.
All right. So everybody take care. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.
See you next time.